Nothing's original under the sun, you know. Everything goes back to something.
Tell me about your mood. What's it like?
Been all right.
Are you hearing any voices or saying
No.
things? Okay. What do you do for fun every day?
You get better with practice. The back's easy. You just pour coffee on it.
I've been following Landis for 4 years now. I've found 46 museums in 20 states with more than 100 pieces that he's placed into these institutions.
I believe it'll look well, and
Oh, you know
I'd
it.
like you.
Is that an early form of color
It's-
printing?
I've been through a lot lately. I have these bad dreams. It's like I'm dreaming and Mother's there.
I just became obsessed with it. He messed with the wrong registrar, is what he did.
Chantilly Boulevard is 3/4 of a mile away.
And I'm still going to track him because I don't think he's going to stop.